Hello friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel Make PM. So in today's video we will solve two basic problems which are based on the Pascal law. This is the first problem, this is second one. So first of all, what is the Pascal law? Pascal law states that if there is a fluid component, very small, suppose this is fluid and this is a tank and it is filled with water, then pressure in all directions at this point in the fluid will be same. So pressure will be same at this point from all the directions. Or you can also see from here that if this is a plunger and this is a ram and this fluid is connected, so if there is P1 pressure here below this plunger and there is pressure P2, so from the Pascal law we can see that pressure P1 will be transmitted through the liquid and pressure P1 and P2 will be same if these two are at the same height. So P1 will be equal to P2. Now let's solve the problem. A hydraulic press has a ram of 30 cm diameter. So this is ram. So diameter of ram is 30 cm, which will be equal to 0.30 meter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and the diameter of plunger is 4.5 centimeter. So D plunger is 4.5 centimeter, which will be equal to 0.045 meter. Find the weight lifted by the hydraulic press when the force applied at the plunger is 500 Newton. So here 500 Newton force is applied. The force at plunger is 500 Newton. So what will be the pressure P1? We just talked about the pressure just below the plunger is P1. So P is equal to force upon area. So first of all we will calculate the area. So area is pi by 4 d square. For a ram it will be pi by 4 into 0.3 square, and for ram plunger it will be pi by 4 into 0.045 square. So what will these two areas? So if you will calculate this, then you will get this one will be 0.07068 meter square, and this area will be 0.00159 meter square. So we have calculated these two areas. Now what will be the pressure at plunger, which will be force upon area? At plunger force is 500 in area at plunger is this 0.00159. So if you will divide 500 by this, then you will get 31445 Newton per meter square. So this will be the pressure at plunger. So this pressure will be transmitted up to here, because these fluids are at the same height and these two are connected. Okay, so pressure at ram will be also pressure at plunger. So what is the pressure at ram? Pressure at ram will be force at ram upon area of ram, which will be equal to this value. So force at ram is we have to calculate, and area of ram is we already know, this one 0.07068. this will be equal to 314465. so force at ram will be equal to 0.07068 into 314465. If you will multiply these two, you will get 22222 Newton, which will be equal to 22.22 kilonewton, because 1 kilonewton is equal to 1000 Newton. Now let's see the next problem. So let's move to the second problem. See, the hydraulic press has a ram of 20 cm diameter. So hydraulic press, diameter of hydraulic press is 20 cm. Ram which will be equal to 0.2 meter, and diameter of the plunger is 3 centimeter, which will be equal to 0.03 meter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. It is used for lifting a weight of 30 kilonewton. So this is hydraulic ram. So here it is lifting a weight of 30 kilonewton. So we are applying force F1 from here, and is lifting force F2. Okay, this fluid is connected from Pascal law. Pressure here P1 is equal to P2. So P1 will be the ram, pressure at ram will be equal to pressure at plunger. Okay, so what is pressure? Pressure is equal to force upon area. So pressure at ram is equal to pressure at plunger. Pressure at ram is equal to force at ram upon area of ram, and pressure at plunger is equal to force on plunger upon area of plunger. So we need area of ram and area of plunger. So area of ram will be equal to pi. It is circular, so it will be pi by 4 into d square, which will be equal to, and this one will be equal to pi by 4 into diameter is 0.03 square. So we can calculate these two areas. So this one will be 0.0314 meter square, and this one will be 7.068 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Now these two are equal, so we can write force at ram upon area of ram is equal to force at plunger upon area of plunger. So we have to lift a weight of 30 kilonewton, which is at here, which is at ram. So F ram will be 30 kilonewton. 1 kilonewton is equal to 1000 newton. So it will be 30 kilonewton is equal to 30 into 1000 newton divided by area of ram is, area of ram we have already calculated. Area of ram is 0.0314 is equal to force at plunger we have to calculate. One area of plunger is 7.068 into 10 to the power minus 4. So this will go this side multiplied. So force at plunger will be 30,000 into 7.068 into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 0.0314. So if you will calculate this in your calculator, then you will get force at plunger will be 657.2 newton. 657.2 newton. So this force is required to lift the 30 kilonewton weight. So you can see that by applying very low amount of force here at plunger, we can lift very heavy loads at this ram area. So this principle is applied in the hydraulics, like in the crane. You can apply very small load at the lever of the crane, and you can lift very heavy loads with the help of crane.